Activity reports and grader reports. LearnMate provides detailed reporting tools to help you track student engagement and manage academic performance. An activity report is a summary that shows the total number of views, interactions, and the last access date for every activity and resource in your course. Its purpose is to help you gauge student engagement and quickly identify which course materials are actually being used. To access it, open your course, click on Reports in the main navigation menu, and select Activity Report. A grader report is the primary gradebook interface that displays a master grid of all enrolled students alongside their scores for every graded item. Its purpose is to give you a comprehensive, at-a-glance overview of class performance while providing a space to manually enter, edit, or override grades. To access it, open your course and click Grades.